Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Hello, hi, how you doing? So for today's video, it seems pretty popular on YouTube once again, like everyone redoing or like organizing their closets. So I'm going to be doing like a two-part video because honestly I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so this is going to motivate me to do it. I want to clean out my closet and reorganize it and go through a lot of my clothes, and then also I need to I don't want to redo my room because I honestly love my room, but I did go on Urban and kind of buy a few new things, and yeah, I just really need to clean. Like there's a lot of like things just around that don't have a spot, so I really need to do that. And yeah, okay, my camera's gonna die, of course. So first let me just show you my closet. Yeah, there's some bras hanging up there that I don't even wear. This is my closet, and like this stuff just like doesn't have a home. There's like this. It's really not that bad, but I just like really need to go through all the clothes. And then this is my room. So everything in front of the bed needs a spot to go. Like it does not have a place. And then there's a dog toy. My desk, really unorganized. Up here, really unorganized. All of this stuff. So, and then I want to like do something different here. Don't really know yet, but yeah, so that's my room. Everything's honestly not that bad, but I just really need to go through my clothes, and I really just need to like reorganize and like have a place for everything. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do. But in today's video, it's going to be my closet. The next video is going to be my room. So make sure you subscribe so you can see both videos. Okay, so let's get on to going through my closet. Okay, so I really cannot look at the viewfinder because I had to switch cameras, and the viewfinder is over here. So, okay, so I just finished, not even finished, I'm going through this, and I don't really know what to do from here. I pretty much really need to go through this section because it's overfilled, and summer's kind of about to be over, so I need to go through these dresses and get rid of a bunch of them because this is all like dresses, and then I have some jackets, some overalls, and like that's all what this is. This is long sleeves and everything here, and then all of this is like summer tank top short sleeves. I have some extra hoodies over here which I want to try and fit where the rest of my hoodies are. A basket of extra shoes, some socks, bathing suits, and then all in here I keep like bralettes, underwear, socks, and then of course like my shoes. And then this whole little bookshelf has sweatshirts and sweatpants, and I still need to go through and fix that. dresses, and there's like 2 jackets in here just because they're like in high school jacket, and then like one of my dance jackets I don't want to get rid of. I'm taking all of this to my basement to put in like another closet. So let's give you an update. Okay, so I cleared this off. Sorry, the lighting's really bad. Like, the sun is literally setting. So I cleared this off, and then I need to do something with this. Well, right now, I feel like it's fine sitting here, but right now, all I have are a couple belts. And this is what this looks like now, and I really like it because it's perfect, because I have this little basket here with kind of like foam roller, rolly thing, like a foot roller, and you know, stuff. And then I need to organize this, and then this is like just enough clothes up here because then I don't have to like search to go to this. So, and then I want to fix these hangers because I have those hooks. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to end this here because I don't have like a ring light or fancy lighting to do the rest of this video since the sun is setting. So I'm just going to take the clothes that I need to downstairs and probably like tidy up a few things that like you really don't care to see on camera. And then tomorrow, when I actually have good lighting and everything, we're gonna finish up with the clothes. So you'll see me in a second, but I'm ending this clip here. Okay? Alright. Okay, hey guys. What am I doing with my arm? It is the next day of cleaning out my closet, my room. I don't know how this video is gonna go. We'll see with editing. So I kind of woke up not that long ago, so if my face looks like swollen, that's kind of why. So for right now, the part I'm going to tackle is all of this in front of my bed, because this is just like a lot of clothes that have nowhere to go. So pretty much like my closet I think is good. I just want to do like these hooks, like I want that to look better. And then I do kind of want to organize inside my dresser, but we'll see about that. Let's figure this out. Is this good? Can you see? Okay, so this is what we have now. Still don't know what to do with it. Like, I need to figure out this bin. Those are like pajama shorts. I don't know where to put that bin either. And then this is just like art supplies. So yeah, right now pretty much I'm just trying to figure out where everything should go. Okay, I don't know what to do with this section. I really don't know where to put my hamper yet. And there's my doggy, Billy. Okay, so I have this pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of. So I brought up a trash bag, and then the next section, sliding. The next section of my room I want to do is this little corner, because I just have like junk, and then this little thing needs to be organized, and then all of this needs to be organized. So that's what we're going to do next. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I like watching people do like room makeover and clean. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying. Okay, let's do all this. This is cleaned off. They're both cleaned off. I just need to dust and vacuum my room. So next I'm going to do this little floor section. I can't really get a good angle with the camera because I don't have a tripod, so I'm just like setting my camera in different spots of the room. So yeah, we're almost done. Like, this is actually not taking as long as I thought it would. Maybe just because I'm like filming myself, I'm like, I gotta get this done, gotta do it quick. So if you need to clean your room, film yourself, and I swear you'll get it done 10 times faster. Okay, so this section is cleared, except for like the trash that I now have to take out. And I have just like some stuff hidden back there because some of it's like decorations that I don't know what I'm doing yet. So we're doing good. This is this section, then this, except for, you know, the soda. So everything that was pretty much on top of these two that I need to find a place is now here. So this is like the last section of my room I need to clean, and then I just need to organize this because I had it looking really cute. Now it's just kind of not looking as cute. I feel like this camera is so weird. It's so different than my other one, and like, okay, so yeah, we're gonna tackle this little desk section, and then I just need to like pick up and organize a few things and make my bed, and then I'm pretty sure like I've cleaned everything, and that was really fast. I'm like actually surprised of how quickly I did this, because usually I'll spend like, I feel like 4 hours cleaning my room, and I think it hasn't even been an hour yet, so we're doing good. Okay, so I just cleaned off my desk, just my TV and remote on top. I don't know why I'm so tired. But yeah, I think my room is almost done. I have this shelf that you guys are sitting on, and I need to take some trash out and some extra little things out of my room, and yeah. I'm like honestly so surprised that this didn't even take as long as I thought it would. So like, I'm honestly saying, if you need to like clean your room, film yourself, because it motivates you to just get it done. Because like I said, I usually take forever. Alright, let's just finish this up. Okay, so we are all finished pretty much for my room. I do have some decorations coming in from Urban, and I'm not gonna get them until probably when I come back from California, because I'm going there in a couple days. So this is what my room is gonna look like for now. So let's do a little overview. So this is my room. Whoops. That's not supposed to be there. And yeah, I still like need to decorate this because I have nothing else to put there. And then I have this here for now with a bunch of necklaces that I haven't worn since like middle school. I'm replacing this, and I got a little long tapestry from Urban. And then I have like this little llama here. My dad got it for Valentine's Day. And then quick look at my closet. I just moved stuff off to the side. I don't really have anything in the center. I put some stuff back up here, but like these clothes aren't mine. I have to give back to Soph. These are some clothes I'm packing for California. And yeah, so let's close this. And then this is just like everything I need to take out of my room. And these things, I just I haven't decided what I wanted to do with those little things. So yeah, it's my room. I'm so happy with it. It looks so much better. I still want to like organize this a little bit better. I did not know I was zooming in. Oh my god. Okay. I still want to organize this section a little better. And this, I just need to organize. This, it's alright. I might get rid of those speakers or just put them somewhere else. And then I just want to add more stuff to this wall because I feel like it's a little uneven. And then I have that cute little plant. So yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy watching these kinds of videos of people cleaning and redoing their rooms and like seeing what other people's rooms look like. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, comment anything you want down below. I would love to hear what you guys would want to see in other videos, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye! Don't know